Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Waze as your default navigation app on iPhone in 2026. If you want directions to open in Waze instead of another Maps app, here's what you need to know. First, it's important to know that iPhones do not currently let you set Waze as the system-wide default navigation app. Apple still controls which app is used by default for most navigation requests. However, you can still use Waze as your preferred navigation app in several situations. If you're using apps like Google Search, Gmail, or other Google apps, you can often choose Waze when opening directions. Simply tap the directions button and select Waze if it's available. You can also open Waze first, enter your destination directly in the app, and start navigation from there. This ensures Waze handles your route instead of another Maps application. If you're Siri, keep in mind that navigation requests usually open Apple Maps by default. To use Waze, open the Waze app manually and search for your destination before you starting your trip. Make sure Waze is updated to the latest version from the App Store so you have access to the newest features and compatibility improvements. If Apple adds support for changing the default navigation app in a future iOS update, you'll be able to find that option in your iPhone settings. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about setting Waze as your default navigation app on iPhone in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.